What type of divorce process is right for you? My name is Doreen Yaffa. I've been practicing marital and family law now for going on 26 years, actually 27 years soon, in Florida. And that's probably one of the very first questions that a potential client or a client will ask me when they come to see me. How do I get through the process? Now, you hear a lot in the Google worlds about different processes to get through, so I want to clear up for you in a simple kind of way 5 different ways you can think about getting through the process of divorce. First, traditional litigation. You file a petition, you serve your spouse, they file a responsive pleading or what's known as an answer, and then you follow the court system on dates and times and things you have to do. Eventually, you hopefully settle a case, or maybe you go to trial. Next form is called the collaborative process of divorce, or collaborative divorce, and that is outside the courtroom. That is not going into litigation. It's the complete opposite. It's a process where you have a team. You have a team of what they call collaborative professionals. You have one forensic accountant, one mental health professional who usually helps with children issues, if you have children, minor children that is, and then 2 collaboratively trained attorneys, like myself, collaboratively trained. We meet, we figure out what we need to know as far as disclosures and things of this nature, and hopefully then we come to a settlement, bring it to the judge. Pretty simple, you get divorced, right? Been very successful with this process over the last number of years. Then you have limited representation. Kind of is what it sounds like, right? So the lawyer comes in on a limited basis to do a particular act for you. As an example, maybe they come in on a limited basis just to go to mediation and just to prepare a settlement agreement. And so a lot of people like that because it's less expensive. You use the lawyer when you need them, and hopefully you resolve your case that way. The next way is called consultation. And consultation is generally where the lawyer's kind of behind the scenes. They might be helping you to draft pleadings, meaning documents for the court, draft an agreement, give you advice, but you might be representing yourself with their help. The next one is what we see all over the Google worlds, and that is like the legal Zooms and these online divorces where basically in most situations you go in and you do the work yourself and then you file the documents. So let me tell you a little story. Have a client, I'll just call him H, okay, for his name, and he went through the process years ago of litigation. Horrible situation, a very not fun, right, for him at that time. Actually, him and his wife decided to try to make a go at it again, came back, saw me for the first time. I talked about the collaborative process and he got through it. Said it was a great process for him. Actually, him and his ex are still friends, are co-parenting well, and actually are in business together, believe it or not. So anyhow, to determine what process of divorce is best for you, just give me a call, reach out to me, and I'd be happy to share more information. Give me a call anytime.